Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 3 a.m. At 1:55 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Matco to Port Republic, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Gretna around 2:05 a.m., Wharton State Forest and Shamong around 2:10 a.m., Huckabee and Bass River State Forest around 2:15 a.m., Tabernacle and Beach Haven around 2:20 a.m., Leisuretown and Penn State Forest around 2:25 a.m., North Beach Haven and Chatsworth around 2:30 a.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, and Ocean.